Never Stop Learning, week 111. I'm going to be showing you how to sign into your Creative Cloud account even if you have 3 or more machines. I'll also show you what happens when you try to use your application if you're not hooked up to the internet. Alright, so I'll get started by coming over here and just launching one of my Creative Cloud apps. My favorite one is Adobe Illustrator. So I'll go ahead and launch this guy, wait for it to load up. I get the splash screen coming in. It's initializing, taking care of all the stuff, making sure it's all loaded up. Going through all my different plugins because I actually have a bunch loaded on this machine. Alright, here we go. So now we get this up and running. And then when I come over here and start creating a new document, I'm actually greeted with this sign here. So it's telling me right here that a sign-in is required. You have signed out from this computer or device. Click Sign In now to activate your license on this device, or click Continue to sign in on the next launch. I actually want to sign in now, so I'll come over here and click this button here. So now it gives me this new window here where I'm able to sign in, and it already recognizes my email address, so all I have to do is put in my password. My password is Sunshine, so I'll go ahead and put that in there and click Sign In. Once this thing goes ahead and validates, just give me a couple seconds. And now I'm greeted with this window here. This window is saying, I got 2 different options here. I'll read the entire thing. Sign in failed. Unable to sign in on this computer or device. This Adobe ID, SebastianBleak@yahoo.com, has already been used to activate the software on 2 other computers or devices, which is true. I have a different Mac and a different Dell that I have this installed on, and I'm actually signed into those. I can retry if I have already signed out of one of those, which I haven't, or I'm going to click this option here. It says sign me out of all other computers or devices, and then I'll hit continue, and it's going ahead, it's loading, it's thinking about it for a sec, and there you go. I'm ready to work. It's already taken effect, and I could go ahead and start creating whatever I want. Let me hit Command N. That way I'm creating a new file. Here you are, and I have full functionality. I could just come in here and start drawing with my favorite drawing tools. The next thing I wanted to show you is how these applications still work, and I could still access my files even if I'm not connected to the internet. So I'll come over here to the top, I'll bring this drop down here, and I'm actually going to turn Wi-Fi off. So now as you see, I have no internet connection. I could still come in here and draw. I could actually come back over here, and let's see. I'm going to look for my recent files, and I'm going to open up an old file that I used not too long ago, and it's this guy here. So I'll go into my layers, and I'll just open this guy back up. I'll remove this from being a template mode, and I just want to show you that I can still select my artwork, make modifications, and then go ahead and save that off, close my file, and I can keep working on a different document if I like. If I'm a month-to-month user, I can stay in offline mode for as long as 30 days. If I'm an annual member, I could stay on offline mode for 99 days. If I'm signed into a shared computer and I want to sign out of my Creative Cloud account, it's the same process on a PC as it is on a Mac. All I have to do is come over here where it says Help, and I'll find right here it says Sign Out, and it'll have your email address on there. I'll click on that once, and it's giving me one more chance to make sure if I want to sign out or not. I actually do want to sign out, so I'm going to click on Sign Out, but because I'm not connected to the internet, it's not allowing me to sign out immediately. So if I want to do this all the way, I'll come back over here, I'll turn my Wi-Fi back on. It's going to find it there. Now that it's connected, I'm going to hit Continue. It's going to sign me out, and there, I'm completely signed out now. If I come up here to the top, I can verify that I'm not signed in at the moment. And that's all it takes to sign in and out of your Creative Cloud account when you're using multiple machines. I hope this video was able to clear up a couple questions you might have had about using Creative Cloud. For more information about this post, just click on the link provided below in the description.